Hello, this is Joan of Arc and this is Bea. We are very relaxed here in each other's arms. I haven't seen her in a long while, so I miss her so much. In Ilonggo, the word is Hidlaw. So when you miss someone, you say, Nahidlaw ako sa imo. I miss you so much. And as Ilonggo, you say it very sweetly, in a very sweet Ilonggo accent, Nahidlaw ako sa imo. Or, Hidlaw gid ko sa imo. So that's how I miss Bea, and she misses me too. Nahidlaw gid kami sa isa kag isa. And see how she misses my mole. She likes to poke it a bit. Stop it. Hindi. No. Mole is called alum in Ilonggo, but that's just a side comment. The real word for today is Hidlaw. I miss you all, guys. And till our next video. Bye-bye for now. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.